Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about needed hardwares and softwares for graphic design. Graphic design is the art or skill of combining text and pictures in magazines or books. Graphic designers can create logos for companies, but graphic designers need some equipment. Computer hardware is the physical parts or components of a computer, such as the central processing unit, monitor, keyboard, computer data storage, graphic card, sound card, and motherboard. Software is instruction that can be stored and run by hardware. If you want to do great graphic designing, you should have some kind of hardware. If you will work on graphic design, you should find fastest CPU as you can. The central processing unit is the unit which performs most of the processing inside the computer. To control instruction and data flow to and from other parts of the computer, the CPU relies heavily on a chipset, which is a group of microchips located on the motherboard. Random access memory is the physical hardware inside a computer that temporarily stores data, serving as the computer's working memory. If you are buying a computer for heavy gaming, then you will want enough RAM to support smooth gameplay. Having just 2 GB of RAM available for a game that recommends at least 4 GB is going to result in very slow performance, if not total inability to play your games. The same goes for video editing applications programs that are heavy on 3D graphics. You can normally find out before you buy a computer just how much RAM a specific program or game will require, often listed in a system requirements area of the website or product box. Display card also important because with this device you can see images. If you want to see your image in a good quality, your display card should be higher than 128 bytes. Most of your computer device will be in your computer case, so if it has at least 700 volts, it will be good for you. Software in its most general sense is a set of instructions or programs instructing a computer to do specific tasks. Software is a generic term used to describe computer programs. Scripts, applications, programs, and a set of instructions are all terms often used to describe software. For graphic designing, you need some kind of software. Illustrator and Photoshop can help you to editing pictures. Photoshop is the most known program. Photoshop uses bitmap and bitmap uses pixels. When you change a picture with Photoshop, it means you work with pixels. I believe that using Photoshop, which means working with pixels, is easier than working with a vector image.